Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you just uploaded a video to TikTok, but it completely disappeared and is not showing up on your profile, you are not alone. This is usually caused by an incorrect posting setting, a visual app glitch, or a server processing delay. I will show you exactly how to fix this and find your video right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure the video actually went public. Often users accidentally tap Drafts instead of Post. Go to your profile and check your Drafts folder. If it is not there, it might be hidden by your privacy settings. Look for the Padlock icon on your profile grid, which holds your private videos. If your missing video is sitting there, simply tap it, click the three dots on the side menu, select Privacy Settings, and change the audience from Only Me or Friends to Everyone. Next, if the video is definitely not in your drafts or private folders, your app might just be stuck on an old visual refresh. To fix this, tap the three lines in the top right corner of your profile, go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll down to the Free Up Space option. Tap Clear next to your cache. This safely removes temporary data without deleting any of your saved videos or settings, forcing the app to completely refresh your profile grid. Finally, if clearing the cache didn't work, head to your device's App Store and ensure your TikTok app is fully updated, as outdated versions frequently fail to sync new uploads. If your app is already up to date, your video is likely just stuck in a processing pause on TikTok's internal servers. This happens very frequently with longer videos or during times of poor internet connectivity. Simply close the app entirely, wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and it will usually appear naturally on your feed. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.